सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some information about Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Listen carefully and pay attention. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit ni Swaroop Kumari Nehru, who born August 80, 19, Allahabad, India, died December 1, 1990, Dehradun. Indian political leader and diplomat, one of the world's leading women in public life in the 20th century. She born August 18 in 19 Prayagraj, India, died December 1, 1990, aged 19, Dehradun, India. Political affiliation, Indian National Congress. She was the daughter of Motilal Nehru, a wealthy and aristocratic nationalist leader, and sister of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. In 1921, after receiving private education in India and abroad, she married Ranjit Sitaram Pandit in 1944, and fellow Congress worker. In accordance with conservative Hindu custom, her name was wholly changed upon her marriage to reflect her husband's clan. In her family's tradition, she became an active worker in Indian nationalist movement and was imprisoned 3 times by the British authorities. In India, she entered municipal government in Allahabad, Western India, before entering the Legislative Assembly of the United Provinces, Uttar Pradesh, and becoming Minister for Local Self-Government and Public Health 1937 to 1939, the first Indian woman to hold cabinet portfolio. With the coming of Indian independence, Pandit entered on distinguished diplomatic career, leading the Indian delegation to the United Nations 1946 to 48, 1952 to 53, and serving as an India ambassador to Moscow 1947 to 49, and to Washington and Mexico 1949 to 51. In 1953, Pandit became the first woman to be elected president of the UN General Assembly from 1954 to 1961, was the Indian High Commissioner Ambassador in London and currently Ambassador to Dublin. She served as Governor of the state of Maharashtra from 1962 to 1964 and from 1964 to 68. She was a member of the Indian Lok Sabha, representing the constituency formerly represented by Jawaharlal Nehru. This all information connected for Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. And now I am completed my short lecture. Namaskar.